This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, March 14th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure in the overnight session on news that the U.S.-China trade talks apparently have been delayed until sometime in April. Earlier, the thought was that there would be a meeting sometime later this month. Apparently, that's not the case. Also, some additional pressure in the indices on news that new home sales declining 6.9%. That was weaker than expected. Although in keeping with the recent tendency for stock index futures to only come under pressure temporarily on negative news, I think that there will be at least some recovery in stock index futures from these current lower levels. Longer term, still looks like we can see higher prices across the board in stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, seeing no real advantage either way in any of the currencies as far as interest rate differential expectations are concerned. So I'd stand aside there. Interest rate markets coming under a little pressure, bouncing only just a little bit with the weak new home sales report. So that to me would suggest that lower prices are likely from the current levels today in the interest rate futures market, especially the bonds. So look for pressure from these levels today at least. Also, the gold market under some selling pressure as the dollar index firming up to some degree. However, with the new home sales coming in as weak as it did, that would put pressure, I think, on the Fed to possibly ease credit conditions or at least not be in a mode of raising rates. That should be supportive to the precious metals. So even though the gold is lower, I think we are in store for at least some recovery today. Longer term, still looks like precious metals can work higher. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.